Good evening, traders and traders. Y'all know it's dreycosting, back to you with another banger. Yo, sheesh. Alright, so this is the mood that I caught today. I think this was around London Open, right? So I call this London Open. Pretty viable. Alright, so remember we were saying sales beneath 186.718. The move from there actually played to about, call it 150 pip move. Nice move since yesterday. Alright, but for me, I only caught 57 pips, but that's fine with me, right? I wanted to exit at this era because this is something that has reached me several times, right? On tons of occasions. So I have to know where to cash out of the market. So I cashed out here. Why I cashed out here? Because we're approaching 4-hour zone, a H4 zone. So let me go there show you. Alright. So this is type of stuff that been reaching me. So I have to be mindful of these areas and to know that I need to take profit before these areas hit, right? So we're approaching this zone right here. So I look to the left. I saw we're approaching this zone. I said here is a high possibility that price might reject here, do some form of retracement here before we continue down, or go back up here and do something of this sort like this, right? And to stay in this little region like this. Or as I say, it can go here, come back down, right? So I was mindful of what's going on right here, right? So I have to learn from our mistakes. So I'm very good at entries, very good at setting my stop loss. Right now, I'm just gonna continue to work on taking profits, and that's a good problem to have in trading. Trust me, it's a problem still, but it's a good problem to have. All right, and I can live with that. So what are we looking at right now? All right, so still keeping it simple. Still keeping it simple. Look how we're pushing out the trend, all right? Let's keep it simple. Gonna bring this to here. We're not downtrend, right? We're not down. All right, we can remove this now. You know, I don't like a ton of lines and all of that on my chart. I like to see my chart clean. So this is more that I caught today. I can remove this. All right, so pretty vibes. Just chill. When you get up at pre-London Open, right? If you price come back to this area right here, give you some form of top rejection with bullish candle closure, bearish candle closure, then you're gonna look to sell, right? So sells below 186.190. This right here is the previous high, right? This here is the previous high, right? So price trending down, lower highs and lower lows, right? Out of trend a little bit here, but it came back into trend, right? Lower highs and lower lows, right? So follow me now. That's the first option that we're gonna look for it to maintain under here, right? Wicks at the top to look to continue down. However, if when you get up at pre-London Open and you see this type of action with shift, break the previous high, voiding the definition of a downtrend, retest, create a higher low, confirming the basic of trading for an uptrend, right? You're gonna look to continue up. Alright, so let me do that again. Bam, break previous high, we just create a higher low, confirming the basic of trading for uptrend, right? You're gonna look to continue up. And y'all know the rule. Once price break and retest here, break the previous high, you want to see support form. So you want to see bearish candle closure wicks at the bottom, bullish candle closure wicks at the bottom. Once you get support form, then you enter for your buy. All right. So that's the vibe that we're looking at on GJ. Yeah. And being that you're still here in the video, I'm just gonna put in a little additional thing for you. Let's go. All right, cool. So y'all been asking for it. Yo, Dre, give us some little markup on some more charts, no? Alright, as if I'm supposed to add another instrument to GJ, it would definitely be gold or US30, right? So, but you have to trade the instruments that is in accordance with your lifestyle. Always remember that, right? I'm not a super millionaire as yet. I'm just a little Forex trader, so you know, things take time. Anyways, so gold is up in this nice trend right here, right? Through the vibes. Let's go to the H4. Y'all saw what happened at market open yesterday with gold, huge spike, right? I think it ran like crazy, like wow, it ran like 1,000 pips, right? It's a run 1,000 pips at open. A lot of people caught it coming back down. It was just so obvious. And if you all never know, right, gold went up at an all-time high, right? At an all-time high. Gold is dating back from 1833, right? That's when gold actually started to exchange from way back into 1833. This is the monthly chart. Yeah, so the pre vibe, it went up at an all-time high. What's that? 2147. Right, that's an all-time high. Gold has never traded here before. So this could easily be like a liquidity trap for gold to come back down in this type of range right here, right? So who knows? I could continue up at that all-time high. So let's break it down. All right, let's go to the H4. So right off the bat at H4, right? Most people think that, oh, this right here is the low and it came back and break the low, but truthfully, this was the low right here, right? So this was the low right here. Push up. It did not retest back the trend. It did not retest back the trend. It just continued up right now, right? So this now is the retest back the trend right here now around this region. We can say is the previous low, right? So let us draw area here. All right, let us draw area here. All right, all of these rejections here. Let's put some form of figures on the chart so you can see. So that's 2006. Yeah, that's so good. 2006, right? Why is this necessary now? So this here is the previous low point that we're looking at, right? So look at it now. So it's a strong area, roof going all the way across to here, right? Roof, right? Broke, created a floor, push up, right? So one out of two things. Now that gold is back to trend, right? That's a good thing. So in order for you to start selling, right? To continue to sell, follow me now. In order for you to continue to sell, all right? Right now, this was the previous low. It pushed up, right, and created some form of low right here as well, right? So support has been created right here. So if gold breaks this support, right? So what do I mean if breaks up? This is an advanced entry, right? So yeah, gold is kind of a little bit more tricky and much more frisky than GJ. So while GJ might be break and retest and so on, gold is kind of more frisky, right? So I'm going to show you the advanced method as well as the more moderate method, right? So if you get up, I would say gold moving Asia on it out, but I recommend trading gold pre-New York open, right? Say that around pre-New York open, right? You see gold still consolidating around here and support is formed, right? Bearish candle closure, bullish candle closure, right? And then you have a bearish candle that breaks that support and close, right? Then now you can enter on the next candle to break here, the 2006 region. However, say that if you get some form of movement, right, in what's it, Asian session, London session, and by the time you get up now at pre-New York, right, you see gold do some form of action at this break and retest here, the 2006 era, form resistance, then you're gonna look to sell, right? So this is the type of entry that is much more moderate, much more safe to wait on a break on retest of 2006, right? Form resistance, right? Form resistance with the wicks at the top, and then you look to continue down, right? However, it could be a possibility that it want to continue up to them all-time highs, right? So it's simple. Price can also come back to here around this region right here, or it can hold a trend, right? It can hold a trend here, can hold a trend here. So in a nutshell, it's buys above 2006, all right? Buys above 2006 and sells below 2006. I like that figure, 2006, yeah. How many y'all born before 2006? Y'all drop it in the comment section, right? Or how many y'all born after 2006? Drop it in the comment section. So that's what I'm looking at gold, right? Can form support. If support is formed here, around this region here at pre-New York, you're gonna look to consider buy. If Asian push here, support form right here, gonna look to buy as well. But also it can break here, retest, create a lower high, right? With rejections at the top, then you're gonna look to sell, right? So y'all can set your alarms here at 2006, right? So here we go. Just gave you another instrument, right? Show you what we're looking at. Let's zoom out. Y'all can stop rushing my DM now that Jay, yo, mark up another instrument. All right, there you go, gold, right? So we're gonna probably rock with the two instruments for the month of December. Let's see how it goes, right? So push, retest, back the trend, back the trend, back the trend, push, back the trend. You can easily lift off here to continue up. So all you have to do, this is the overall structure right here. So overall structure, just wait on the breaker structure, retest back, look to continue it. All right. So let's just see how it looks when we get up at pre-New York open for gold. All right. But also take note that gold can be traded in Asia as well as London. All right. But the most volatile time for gold would be in pre-New York open. All right. After all, it's gold USD. All right. Until tomorrow, straight up balling, no starving. I'm out.